Hi students, this is Mr. Z, and today we're going over the integumentary system. And the integumentary system is about the skin. So that's why I wrote SK right there, so skin. And it consists of things like the hair, also our nails. These are all considered parts of the integumentary system. Um, and obviously the skin. So the skin is definitely part of our integumentary system. And it's all about protection. So the skin protects us from the environment. Uh, Here we have a virus that's bouncing off the skin and protects us against the environment. Imagine not having skin and how many infections you would catch on a daily basis. Another part of the integumentary system is the sweat glands. And it controls the temperature of our body by sweating. As we sweat, it reduces some of the heat in our body, and then all of a sudden the sweat kind of cools us down with the wind, so it does regulate our body temperature. It is also the largest organ of the body. A lot of people don't think about the skin as being an organ, but if you remember, the definition of an organ is a bunch of cells that make up the tissues, and a bunch of tissues make up the organ. And so a bunch of tissues make up this organ called the skin, or the integumentary system. It works very closely with the nervous system to sense pain. So if you have ever poked your finger or stepped on a nail, you know that your skin is very sensitive. If you ever touch something very hot, it does communicate through the nerve cells all the way up to your brain, and it allows us to move our hand away from things that are harmful. If it's hot, we're going to move our hands back. Also, the skin helps us retain fluid. Without the skin, we would be dehydrated all the time. And last but not least, the skin also provides us with vitamin D. All right, well, that concludes our lesson on the integumentary system. Just remember, the main thing, the main function of the integumentary system is the protection from the environment. And a good example of that, it would be the skin. All right, this is Mr. Z, over and out.